Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. In today's quick video, I want to share with you guys a quick and easy trick on how to powder on your DTF sheets. Now this is especially useful if you use DTF powder in some sort of casing, whether that be like a tub, some sort of, just container that you're storing your DTF powder in. I conveniently use this drawer since it prevents humidity. It prevents the actual DTF powder from clumping up. This is the main concept, I guess, of this video. It's very straightforward and simple. I want you guys to use a strainer like this. You can find some on Amazon or in your kitchen, and you can just go ahead and dump your DTF powder. For me, it comes in a tub. I'm gonna dump all my powder. As you can see, usually with these big chunks, you would have to go with your hands or find some sort of way to remove all these chunks. But with a strainer like this, with fine lines, it's as easy as just shaking it up. And look at the result, guys. No clumps, nothing. Just straight DTF powder ready to be applied. This video was extremely quick, but sometimes little life hacks like this can save you a whole bunch of time and frustration. If you found this video somewhat helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.